Nature has no painkillers, no morphine, no hospice, nobody holding your hand telling you that you were brave. It just has a schedule, and every animal on Earth is on it. So we ranked the 6 worst ways to die out there, from bad to please no. Our volunteer is Kevin. Kevin is a stick figure, which is the only reason he said yes. And number 1 has no teeth and no face. Right now it's inside somebody watching this video. Number 6, getting swallowed by a python. Everybody pictures the slow squeeze, ribs going one at a time, air leaving you over long minutes, plenty of time to regret your hiking route. That's not what happens. A constrictor isn't a trash compactor. It's a tourniquet. The coils clamp down hard enough to stop blood, not just breath. Arterial pressure collapses within seconds. The brain gets nothing, and the lights go out long before the snake starts the actual meal. Kevin is unconscious in under a minute. Rude, but merciful, which is more than the next 5 get. Number 5, being eaten by something that never bothered to learn how to kill first. Big cats strangle. It's efficient, and it's over. Komodo dragons skip that step entirely. A Komodo bites, tears, and follows, and with large prey the meal regularly begins while the prey is still standing up and participating. There is no venom that switches you off, and no mercy bite. The lizard is simply eating. You just happen to be attached to the food. Kevin would like the record to state that he lasted 11 minutes. Nobody was counting. Still, it ends in minutes. Around here, the currency is pain times time. And the next one buys a lot of both. Number 4, the box jellyfish. Chironex fleckeri is nearly invisible in the water, and it drags up to 3 meters of tentacle behind a bell you could hold in one hand. Survivors describe the sting as being branded with a red-hot iron. Roughly 3 meters of tentacle contact can be lethal. The venom punches holes in your cells, potassium pours out, and the heart can stop within 2 to 5 minutes. Australia has recorded at least 64 deaths from this animal since the 1880s. 2 minutes of that is a very long time. Quick break. If you're enjoying this deeply upsetting content, the like button is right there. It's free and it doesn't sting. Because from here on, pain stops being the problem. Being awake starts being the problem. Number 3, the blue-ringed octopus. Its venom contains tetrodotoxin, which shuts down the nerves that move your muscles and leaves absolutely everything else running. Your legs go. Your hands go. Your chest muscles go, so you stop breathing. Your brain does not go. You are awake, aware, and completely still, sealed inside a body that has quit on you. People do survive this, but only if somebody breathes for them until the toxin wears off. In the ocean, nobody volunteers. Kevin is fine, by the way. Kevin is just lying there, thinking about it. Now stretch that exact feeling from minutes into weeks. Number 2, the tarantula hawk's nursery. The wasp stings a tarantula and paralyzes it for good, drags the living spider into a burrow, and lays 1 egg on its belly. The larva hatches and starts eating. It works through the parts the spider can live without and saves the vital organs for last, because fresh food keeps better than dead food. The spider is alive for most of it. aware, unable to move a single leg. That is weeks of being eaten from the inside out. And it still isn't number one. Number 1, rabies. No teeth, no claws. A virus crawls up your nerves at walking pace, reaches your brain, and rewrites it. What follows is agitation, hallucination, terror, and hydrophobia. Spasms so violent at the sight of water that a desperately thirsty person refuses to drink. Once those symptoms start, rabies is very nearly 100% fatal. It still kills tens of thousands of people every year, most of them children bitten by dogs. Every other death on this list is something happening to a body. This one is your own brain turning on you while you sit there and watch. Now the honest part. Nobody can measure another animal's suffering, so this ranking rests on 3 things we can check: how long it lasts, how awake you are for it, and whether medicine can stop it. And by that last one, the worst death in nature is also the most preventable. Rabies has had a vaccine since 1885. It keeps killing anyway, mostly in the places where that vaccine isn't. Kevin walked away from all 6 because Kevin is a drawing. The rest of us get 1 attempt. If you want more facts that will keep you politely awake tonight, subscribe. Stay curious.